Here we got the Oasis of Peace. It's a religious community from Italy, and there is a very beautiful chapel which you can visit here, and I love to take you there. Come on, let's go together. And if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, give a like and share the video so other people also can see the beauty of Medjugorje, and come with me. So it's a marine community, the Oasis of Peace, it's called. And through this wonderful garden you get to the chapel of the Oasis of Peace. It's a marine community from Italy, as I said, and really beautiful people, really peaceful people, you know, the nuns and the priest. There's a priest from New Zealand and two nuns from Germany, and just beautiful. These were the houses where they lived before. Now they live in new houses behind, a new bigger building, but that's how they started here in these houses. And here comes the chapel.